It began as a flicker, a faint pulse on a telescope feed from Chile. Then another appeared in Arizona, then Namibia, and finally, southern Europe. Within hours, 4 separate interstellar objects were confirmed, all inbound, all following the same invisible corridor that 3I-ATLAS had traced months earlier. At first, it seemed like coincidence. But when the orbits aligned, the pattern became undeniable. 4 distinct bodies, approaching from different regions of the sky, converging toward the inner solar system like dancers following an unseen rhythm. Statistically impossible, yet real. For the first time, scientists began to wonder if these weren't visitors at all, but scouts. The first was beautiful, too beautiful. Designated C-2025P, nicknamed the Green Wanderer, it glowed an impossible emerald hue, growing brighter each day as if feeding on sunlight. Instead of burning away near the sun, it strengthened, its light curve climbing exponentially. Instruments detected electromagnetic pulses every 9 hours, identical to the mysterious energy rhythm once recorded from 3I Atlas. To the public, it was a spectacle. To scientists, a warning. 2 days later came Comet Lemon C, 2023A3, a long-lost traveler reignited. Its tail stretched nearly 100 million kilometers across the sky. Yet it wasn't drifting randomly, its trajectory shifted in precise, mechanical corrections, aligning perfectly with the same cosmic corridor as the Green Wanderer. The comet seemed to guide itself, releasing bursts of material like controlled propulsion. To astronomers, it looked alive, or engineered. Then came Comet Suchenshan Atlas C, 2023A3, discovered in overlapping observations from Chile and South Africa. It flickered in perfect rhythm, its brightness pulsing like a heartbeat. High-resolution scans showed something no natural comet should have: 2 distinct heat sources orbiting one another, synchronized like twin engines. Its light wave formed a perfect sine curve, mathematically flawless. And again, that same 9-hour pulse. But the 4th object was different. It didn't glow. It didn't emit gas or reflect light. It was detected only as a void, a patch of missing starlight moving with impossible precision. Designated 2024YR4, soon called the Silent One, it was dense, metallic, and silent. Yet its radar signature pulsed, every 9 hours. All 4 objects, glowing or dark, now shared a single rhythm. Something unseen was coordinating them. When data from all 4 were combined, a 5th signal appeared, a faint pulse from empty space between them. Scientists named it the 5th echo. It repeated every 9 hours and 23 minutes, carrying harmonic overtones that resembled music. When converted to audio, it sounded mechanical, a hum followed by silence, repeating endlessly. Triangulation placed its origin between Mars and Jupiter. Nothing visible was there, yet it behaved like the center of an invisible structure, synchronizing everything around it. Then, Earth began to feel it. Communication satellites flickered in global intervals matching the pulse cycle. GPS signals faltered. Radio telescopes filled with static. Strange auroras formed near the equator, faint green bands glowing at impossible latitudes. The planet itself seemed to resonate with something cosmic. By mid-November, the 4 visible objects arranged themselves into a geometric formation, a perfect tetrahedron, with the Silent One at its base. It shouldn't have been possible, yet the formation held steady with no natural explanation. Webb's infrared imagery revealed faint filaments of plasma connecting them, a glowing lattice stretching millions of kilometers across space. Then the 5th echo changed. The simple pulse modulated into a complex, structured transmission, patterns resembling code. When a Chinese observatory transmitted a test ping, the formation responded. The signal returned inverted, amplified, a reply. For the first time, Earth knew it wasn't alone. What followed was chaos. Every major radio telescope began receiving incomprehensible data, signals so intricate they resembled language. The waveforms, when converted to visual spectrograms, formed recursive spirals of hexagons, the same geometry seen in the plasma lattice between the objects. When reversed, the signal revealed coordinates, not of space but of time. A timestamp exactly 48 hours ahead. At the predicted moment, the formation compressed slightly. Then, at 3:17 Coordinated Universal Time, the fifth echo vanished. For 12 minutes, all instruments recorded total silence. No light, no radiation, nothing. As if space itself had turned off. When the data returned, one object, the Green Wanderer, was gone. In its place, a faint distortion rippled across the stars, bending light like gravity itself. The structure was intact, but changed. Moments later, the signal resumed. But this time, it came from Earth's direction. The formation had reflected our own broadcast, modified and returning home. Embedded within it was a binary sequence, 10,111,001. Decoded using spectral intervals, it revealed a new mathematical constant, a ratio linking space, frequency, and gravity. A formula for the hidden structure of the universe